Hello everyone, and welcome to our interior design series. Today, we'll be showing you how to decorate a stunning slab backsplash kitchen using a variety of components. Whether you're renovating or starting from scratch, this step-by-step guide will help you create the kitchen of your dreams. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have all the necessary tools and components ready. Double-check that you have the slab backsplash, countertop, base and wall cabinets, range hood, cooktop, oven, sink, faucet, undermount sink clips, cabinet handles/knobs, lighting fixtures, tile mortar, grout, silicone caulk, tile spacers, plywood substrate, construction adhesive, backsplash sealer, and level and measuring tools. First, let's install the base cabinets. Arrange them according to your kitchen layout and secure them in place using screws on the level to ensure they're straight. Next, mount the wall cabinets above the countertop for additional storage. Use a stud finder to locate the wall studs and screw the cabinets securely into position. Now, it's time to place the beautiful countertop over the base cabinets. Ensure it aligns perfectly and use construction adhesive to secure it in place. Make sure to smooth out any excess adhesive. Here comes the star of our design, the slab backsplash. Apply tile mortar to the plywood substrate on the wall. Carefully place the slab over the mortar, adjusting as needed to create a seamless look. Allow it to set according to the mortar manufacturer's instructions. Once the slab is firmly in place, it's time to add the finishing touches. Fill the gaps between the slabs with grout, using a rubber float to press it in. Wipe off any excess grout with a damp sponge. For a polished look, apply silicone caulk along the edges of the slab backsplash, sealing it to the countertop and walls. Now that the backsplash is complete, let's move on to the appliances. Install the range hood above the cooktop, ensuring it's properly vented. Set the cooktop and oven in place, connecting them to the appropriate utilities. Next, mount the sink under the countertop using the undermount sink clips. Attach the faucet to the sink, and don't forget to connect the water supply lines. For that final touch of elegance, install the cabinet handles or knobs of your choice on the doors and drawers. These small details can make a big difference in the overall appearance of your kitchen. Additionally, incorporate stylish lighting fixtures above the countertop and sink area to illuminate your workspace. Lastly, protect your hard work by applying a backsplash sealer. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to ensure complete coverage and longevity. Congratulations! You've successfully decorated your slab backsplash kitchen using a variety of components. Stand back and admire your creation. Remember, interior design is all about expressing your style, so don't be afraid to get creative and make it your own. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time for more exciting design projects.